Okay, so let's solve this problem. So how many terms are in the geometric sequence? So this is the given. So first, we need to find the common ratio. So that's the ratio between the two consecutive terms. So you can use a sub 2 divided by a sub 1 or a sub 3 divided by a sub 2. So this is our a sub 2 and this one is a sub 1. So we're going to use this a sub 2 divided by a sub 1. So 12 divided by 6. So the answer is 2. So therefore, 2 is the common ratio. Then formula for the geometric sequence, that's a sub n equals a sub 1 r to the power n minus 1. So this a sub n is your last number. This one is your a sub n. Then a sub 1, that's the first term. 6, then n, that's the term of your last number since this one is unknown. So therefore n is unknown. Then r, that's the common ratio, that's 2. Then substitute these values to this formula. So a sub n, that's 3072. Then a sub 1 is 6 times r is 2 to the power n minus 1. Then divide both sides by 6. Okay, so we have now 3072 divided by 6. That's 512 equals 2 to the power n minus 1. Then we need to rewrite this 512 with base 2. So using your calculator, with base 2, 2 to the power 8. So that's 256. 2 to the power 9. That's 512. So therefore, this 512 in exponential form with base 2, that's 2 to the power 9. So 2 to the power 9 equals 2 to the power n minus 1. Since we have the same basis now, so we can equate these two exponents. So 9 equals n minus 1. Then to solve for n, transpose negative 1 so that it becomes positive. And 9 plus 1 and now is equal to 10. So therefore, this geometric sequence has 10 terms.